Hello, my name is Sheila Crane, and I'm chair of the Architectural History Department in the School of Architecture at the University of Virginia. My colleagues and I had the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Justin Grimes here a couple of weeks ago, and we took advantage of his excellent strategies for recruiting and retaining talent workshop. I, as chair of my department, have spent many years recruiting students, especially for our Masters of Architectural History program and for our PhD programs in the constructed environment and in art and architectural history. And I have to say that Justin helped me approach what I thought was something I knew well with entirely new perspective, to really think about recruitment from the vantage point of future prospective students in terms of the kinds of messages you want to convey, in terms of anticipating what the needs of possible students might be, how to meet students on their own terms, and to ensure that you are communicating in a way that's meaningful. I really appreciated Justin's collaborative work with us. He brought a really galvanizing energy to the process, and he also encouraged us to hold one another accountable. So we've left the workshop having begun to draft together a really concrete plan for next steps, for thinking about how to move beyond looking to the usual places and thinking about our kind of default strategy for recruiting, to really thinking in new, robust ways about what makes our program special and the kinds of students who would excel in this place. So thank you so much, Justin, for such an energizing, collaborative, and exciting workshop. I hope that the work that we can do here in response is up to the task you set us to, and I encourage others to take advantage of Justin's extraordinary expertise and energy.